Hello and welcome to First File. In our ITR series, we are going to understand ITR-6 today. What is ITR-6? ITR-6 is an income tax return for companies that are not claiming exemption under Section 11. Section 11 applies to income derived from property held under a trust or legal obligation for charitable or religious purposes. Therefore, companies with income used for charitable or religious purposes are not eligible to file ITR-6. So, who are eligible for filing ITR-6? Private limited companies, public limited companies, one-person companies, foreign companies operating in India, other registered companies under the Companies Act are allowed to file ITR-6. Individuals, Hindu undivided families, partnerships, LLPs, and companies claiming exemption under Section 11 are not allowed to file ITR-6. Let's understand the key features about ITR-6. Companies must file ITR-6 electronically using digital signature certificate. ITR-6 requires companies to provide details of their business income, capital gains, and other income sources and tax deductions. If a company's turnover exceeds Rs 10 crore, it must get its accounts audited under Section 44AB of the Income Tax Act. Audited financial statements must be reported before filing ITR-6. Companies are liable to pay minimum alternative tax under Section 115JB if their tax liability under normal provision is lower than 15% of their book profits. MAT credit can be carried forward for 15 years. Companies must report dividends received or paid. Shareholding patterns and investments are required to be disclosed. Companies with foreign assets or operations must declare details in ITR-6. Coming to the documents, here are the list of the documents which are required for filing ITR-6. Let's see the deductions in ITR-6. Here is the list of deductions under ITR-6. Coming to the tax structure of ITR-6, ITR-6 has the following tax structure which you can see on your screen. You can see the example on the screen which showcases the total tax liability under normal as well as the optional tax regime. After doing the calculations, we can see that in optional tax regime, we can save tax compared to the normal tax regime, but we cannot claim deductions in the optional tax regime. Thank you for watching till the end and start filing your ITR with First File.